FRSR Fundamental Rules and Supplementary Rules Part 9. 63rd question. An authority competent to create a post, whether temporary or permanent, may grant advance increment to an employee appointed to such post in terms of options are: first option is FR24, B FR26, C FR27, D FR22. Correct option is C. C. Next, 64th question. Advance increment shall not be allowed in case of: first option is reward for meritorious work, removal of anomalies in fixation of pay, recommendation of UPSC to grant higher initial pay, all above cases. Correct answer is option A, reward for meritorious work. Shall not be allowed in case of advance increment, shall not be allowed in case of reward for meritorious work. 65th question. An order of penalty withholding next increment for a specified period implies: options are: one increment falling next due is to be withheld for the specified period. Second, all the increments falling due during the specified period shall be withheld. C, only one of the increments falling due during the specified period shall be withheld. D option is none of the above. Correct answer is option B, all the increments falling due during the specified period shall be withheld. 66th question. Withholding increment with cumulative effect does not imply. Does not पे ध्यान देना, does not बताना, अपने does नहीं बताना. First option, the entire period of punishment never counted for any increment. Second, the next increment shall be granted after a period of 12 months counted from the date of last increment plus the period of punishment. C, the date so arrived at shall be relevant date for future increments. D option is that some of the increments are just postponed. So the correct answer is option D, that some of the increments are just postponed. Does not imply that some of the increments are just postponed. Last question. If a government servant acquires PSD in the field relevant to his functions and useful in the discharge of higher official work, he shall be entitled to a lump sum incentive of, options are rupees 4,000, 6,000, 8,000, 10,000. Answer is absolutely 10,000. Thanks.